How to uninstall Apple Intelligence. If you've happened to install Apple Intelligence on your device and you want to uninstall it. So normally Apple Intelligence actually consumes a lot of storage, about 7 gigabytes of storage. And you're wondering, because it's not really that useful to you, right? And you just want to get rid of it. So maybe you went to general, you went to your storage, you found out that Apple Intelligence actually consumes quite a lot of data in this case, and you want to just get rid of it. Unfortunately, there is not a way to only remove Apple Intelligence once you have downloaded on your device. The only way we can remove Apple Intelligence is to factory reset our device and to make sure that we do not install Apple Intelligence again. So after that, we go to this option that says, you can see over there, you can see the about section, you can scroll down to the option transfer or reset iPhone, then go to erase all content and settings and reset it. But you can't just remove only Apple Intelligence. So that's all for this video. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them down. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.